Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001 over here. Today I'm going to show you a very important lesson which you should learn and understand if you are going to start affiliate marketing, and that lesson is about targeted audience. Okay, one of the most important things is that many of the people do have a problem that they are getting the clicks on that product but they are not making any sales. This is because there is a problem in their targeting, or there is a problem in the product. Okay, so first thing you must know that you should promote a product to a targeted audience. For example, I will promote a fitness product to a person who is interested in fitness, health, exercise. Okay, and I cannot promote a fitness product to a person who is interested in paragliding, or who is interested in any other stuff, okay, in making money. I cannot promote a fitness product to someone who is interested in entrepreneurship. So that is one of the things which you should keep in mind, okay, that whatever product you are going to promote, you must know that what is the product, what is it related to, what is the problem which that product solves, and where to find people who have this type of problems. And what you have to do is just recommend this product, whichever you are promoting, to a particular set of audience who is interested in that product. So this is really very important lesson which every affiliate marketers should never share with you most of the times. Okay, and the best thing about this thing is that once you come to know how to do targeting, you can really make very good money in spite of sending very few clicks. This is really something very targeted, very live, or you are going to get really interactive and live audience who is definitely focused and interested in the content which you are creating, because this is what it is happening. People are understanding the power of targeted customers. Okay, Google is trying to improve it day by day and creating something which is more targeted to customers. So this is really important. You must learn the targeting. I also say that targeting a traffic is an art, because it really makes you earn very good amount of money. People have become millionaires because they knew how to target their product and where to target their product. This is really some of the two things which you should know, you should learn and keep in mind if you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, or make money online doing any other stuff. But these are some of the things which are really very deeply important if you want to make money online. So if you like my video, if you like my content, then just press the like button and also press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.